Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Charles Brown here, FX, and I want to thank every one of you for being here and watching our videos, subscribing to our channel. Again, I want to wish every one of you happy Xmas in advance and the New Year in advance. You know what? It's all fun this period, and we are looking at the market for 2023. Now, today I want to talk about something that we all need, which is psychology, trading psychology. Because as a trader, you want to be able to understand why people just keep winning and others just keep losing, and then some win today, some lose tomorrow, and the market is just like that. It gives everyone their fair share of the game. But today, I want to talk about staying profitable throughout. You want to understand how to stay profitable? Listen to this, okay? Number one, when it comes to profitability, first of all, let me tell you what it means to be profitable. Then I'll give you the principles and the guides that you need to follow, okay? Now, to stay profitable means that after you have traded over a period of time, you remain in a certain level of percentage of gain, okay? All right? It means that profit is calculated over a period of time, not just in one day. As a trader, you want to be able to calculate your profit over a period of time. And we're looking at between 1 week, 1 month, and 3 months, and 1 year or 6 months, depending on the time frame you allocate to yourself to be able to acquire that goal, achieve that goal that you want to have on your trading career. So the first thing you want to look at is how profitable are you weekly? How profitable, what are the gains after deducting all the losses? What are the gains that you have at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter, at the end of the half a year, at the end of the year? You want to know how much were you able to gain? How much percent were you able to gain in those period of trading? So that's how you want to look at profit and staying profitable. Now, there are principles, there are things you must, put your minds on and focus in doing to ensure that you stay profitable throughout your trading within a week, month, or year. Now, number one, you ready? Learn more about trading. That's the first thing. You need to learn to understand how the market moves. Learn to understand the market. You need to learn it. You see, I know you've taken some courses, you're watching YouTube videos and all of that. Watching YouTube videos is good. There's nothing wrong with that. But you need to learn on chart. You need to learn why the market is live, is trading live. You get it? You want to learn how the market moves live. You see, you want to look at the chart, look at how the market behaves. You need to be able to learn the behavior of the market and then learn how to adapt to any changes that you may see. So your learning doesn't stop from that course that you just bought. Your learning doesn't stop from just baby peeps reading baby peeps articles. No, you have to move beyond that. I learn more on chart. When I'm looking at the market, I can be on my seat for 8 hours, 9 hours throughout the day just looking at the chart. I can go off and on, take something, go for an errand, come back and sit down and look at the chart. I just keep looking and learning. I may not be in a trade, but I'm learning. So that's the first thing. You want to learn more about trading by learning on the chart. That's number one. Then number two, you need to back test your strategy. Back test your strategy daily or weekly, depending on the time that you have at your bet. So all you need to do is learn to back test your strategy. I back test every week. Now, almost sometimes every day, I just back test. Why? Because when a trade is carried out and I miss the entry or I lost in a trade, all I need to do is to look at what happened within that period of time. What was it? What did I miss? I do a back test, and mostly enjoying doing it weekly. Because after trading for the weeks, Saturday, Sunday is my testing days. I do back testing. I back test, check the market, check what it's doing, and then find out what the market did this week and what to expect in the previous week. You get it? So you need to do that. If you want to stay profitable, you have to do this. Then number 3, risk what you can afford to lose. And that is, again, a lot of risk management that people don't put in consideration in their trading. Risk what you can afford to lose. Psychologically, it will help you stay in the game and it will help you be in profit if you learn how to risk what you can afford to lose. Now, let's think in terms of risk to reward ratio. All right? Let's think in terms of risk to reward ratio. What does that mean? That means you're trading 1% and you target your target gain, percentage gain is 3%. That is 1 to 3 or 3 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Now, when you are trading like that as a trader, if you stick to risking 1% without changing that parameter, you will end up eventually being profitable over time. Let me explain this. First of all, let's assume you risk 1% on a $1,000 account, or on a, let's say 10%, no, on a $10,000 account. Let's say you have a $10,000 account, my Forex fund or whichever prop firm you're using, and then you have these $10,000 and you're risking 1%. Now, as you're risking 1%, you need to understand that you have 8% target to reach, all right? And you have 5% daily drawdown. So you need to stick to 1% on your trade per day. That's my rule. I teach my students this way. You stay by day, per trade. That's it. 1%. So what that means? You target 3%. So I tell them, do not target anything less than 1 to 2. Stretch yourself. You can get a setup for 1 to 3, 1 to 4. That would be great. But 1 to 2 is the minimum. So imagine you have 1 to 3 as your goal of risk to reward. You will be profitable, because if you lose 3 times a week on 1%, that's 3%. And if you win 1, you cover it all. And if you win 2 out of 5 trading days, you win 2 trades, what will happen? If you win 2 trades, what will happen? You will win. You will eventually end up being profitable. Do you get it? So this is what you want to learn. Risk to reward. Risk what you can afford to lose. Then number 4, look for good risk reward, which I've already talked about. All right, risk what you can afford to lose. I think I just talked about 2 things in one. So risk what you can afford to lose, which is 1% or 0.5, 10%, whatever you have decided to, that is good enough for you to lose. Okay. Then look for good risk to reward on your trade setup. This is very important. You have to look for good risk to reward on your trade setup. Every day, that's what you're looking for. If you don't get 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, I mean, that's not a good trade, because you want a good risk to reward trade, and that's beautiful to get. I teach my students how to do that. So number 5, set a weekly goal. Set a weekly goal, and learn to divide it into days, okay, into your trading days. Or you can set a monthly goal. That means gains, percentage gain goals, profit. All right, you want to set it. For instance, you can say, well, I want to make 10% this week. If you have it as your plan to make 10% weekly, all you need to do is to break it down into the daily trades. Okay, if you set yourself up to do it in 1 month, depending on the account size that you have, then set your account to do, just do it that way. Break it down in days. And hit daily, once you hit your daily goals, based on the total overall target, you're done. Once you hit your daily goal, you're done. Close your chart and walk away. And that can help you stay profitable, because a lot of people, what they do is, after trading, making money in the morning, London section, they lose it in the New York section. So make money, lose in the London section, and then win in the New York section. You get it? There's this up and down in your trading, which is not really stable, and that affects your profitability. So you want to stay profitable by doing that. Okay? Then number 6, avoid cost averaging trading system. I know a lot of you use cost averaging. Which a lot of people do that. We call it stacking, yeah? Cost averaging. A lot of people don't understand that there are principles behind cost averaging trading. And you need to avoid it if you're not profitable at the moment. Stay away from it. if you don't understand the principles. Don't just stack because you see a video how this XYZ is stacking on the video. You want to stack the same thing. No. Learn to understand that there are individuality in trading. You need to find your personality in it. You can't just be doing what other people are doing. You need to understand that there's a place for you in the market. So doing that, you will learn to avoid a lot of things that you're doing now, which you're practicing from other people. So avoid cost average trading system. I'm looking at the screen because I'm in a trade. So you need to avoid cost average trading strategy that people do, stacking. Stay away from it. It will destroy your trade if you don't understand how it works. So if you want to learn how it works, first of all, be profitable. Learn to be profitable with 2 trade, 1 entry, 2 entry maximum. And then just leave the trade to play out. All right? Very important, guys. So that you can stay profitable in 2023. You don't want to, you know what I mean? So, number 7 for the last bit I have. This is the 7 points I want you to have. Now, number 7, reward yourself. I don't know how on earth you want me to say this. When I tell my student, they like, what? Reward yourself? But I just want to accumulate my phone. I want to have flip my account to from 100 to 5,000. Then I can withdraw. No, reward yourself. Listen, it will boost your level of being profitable in the market. It will boost your confidence in the market if you learn to reward yourself. All you need to do is every week, every 14 days or whatever it is, when you make the profit you have set for the week, pay yourself. Withdraw and celebrate your wins. Take some money out, buy something for yourself, for your wife, for your kids, whatever. Do something with it. Come on, celebrate your wins. Learn to enjoy your trading skills, bro. Oh dear. I know. I hope you got it. You got it, yeah? So that's what we do. All right, I want to thank everyone. I believe you'll be enjoying our videos. We're going to be coming up with more videos soon. There's a prop firm I want to bring to you guys for those of you who wants to learn how to trade prop firm and also, get to pass just one challenge, one step at a time, and then you're gone. You're done with it. Just one step. Hit the target, you're gone. You're done, and then you start being trading real capital funded. So we're going to look into that video coming in. So more to that, we are actually doing a promo right now on the Christmas promo on our mentorship program. So the link is in the description below. Otherwise, you need to join the Telegram group. If you join the Telegram group, you're going to get a whole detail of the information and also our daily analysis that we'll post there. So if you're not in our Telegram group yet, guys, listen, what are you waiting for? We expect you to join us there. Okay, it's free. Just come in and have fun with other community, with our community traders. They love to. I have lovely guys there, traders. All right, guys, thank you so much, and subscribe and hit the like button on this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.